your feelings are valid. That desire for partnership, that's not desperate, that's human. We are literally wired for connection. I'm ready to give and receive love again. Chapter 2, Healing and Releasing. And remember, you're not manifesting from a place of lack, you're manifesting from a place of readiness. There is a huge difference. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are manifesting true love. Not the fantasy kind, not the one that hurts or disappears, but the one that stays, grows, and feels like home. I'm not talking about that fake, just think positive and they will appear stuff. I'm talking about real, deep, true love manifestation. Whether you are healing from a breakup, ready to build a family, or you have been single for a while and you're just ready for your person, this one's for you. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's do this together. Understanding the energy of love. First, let's be honest, manifestation is not just wishing, it's participation. Manifesting a relationship isn't about forcing someone into your life. It's about becoming the version of you who is open and ready for love to flow in naturally. Love isn't something you chase, it's something you align with. If you just went through a breakup, I see you. The pain is real. But here's what I learned. That heartbreak is actually making space for someone better. It's like clearing out your closet. Yeah, it's messy and emotional, but now you have got room for new stuff that actually fits who you are now. And if you are longing for someone to start family with, or you're just tired of being alone, your feelings are valid. That desire for partnership, that's not desperate, that's human. We are literally wired for connection. I'm ready to give and receive love again. Chapter 2, Healing and Releasing. If you have been through heartbreak, it's okay to admit you're scared to try again. But love doesn't grow in closed heart. So today, let's release the story that it didn't work out before. That wasn't failure, it was preparation. You learned what you don't want, which means you're now clearer than ever about what you do want. Take a moment to write this in the comments right now. I'm ready for a love that's real, healthy, and aligned. Say it or type it, because when you write it, you declare it to the universe. The mindset shift. So here's where we start. Every morning, I want you to ask yourself, what would someone who is already in your loving relationship do today? Would they take care of themselves? Yes. Would they have hobbies and interests? Definitely. Would they be bitter and closed off? Probably not. Start living like that person now, not when someone shows up. Now. This means take yourself on dates. Go to that cafe, see that movie, visit that bookstore, enjoy your own company. Doing things that makes you feel alive. Join that dance class, start hiking, learn poetry, whatever makes you feel like you. Speaking to yourself the way you had want a partner to speak to you. No more, I'm too much, or nobody wants me. No, you're working on that. And look, some days you will feel lonely, that's okay. Feel it, cry it if you need to, but don't live there. Chapter 4, The Actual Actions. Manifestation is not just wishing, it's participation. Action 1, update your spaces. Look at your home. Is there room for someone else? I'm not saying buy a bunch of stuff, but maybe get the second pillow. Clear out half your closet. Make your space feel welcoming. It's symbolic, but it works. Action 2, say yes more. That friend inviting you to a party? Go. That random event at a community center? Try it. You're not desperately hunting for love. You are just being available to the life. Your person could be anywhere. Action 3. Heal your stuff. Therapy, journaling, talking to friends. Whatever you need to process your past. You don't have to be perfect, but you gotta be working on yourself. Nobody's coming to fix you, and honestly, you don't need fixing. You need healing. Action 4. Be specific but flexible. Write down what you actually want. Not physical trait, but emotional truths. Not tall and handsome, but like someone who makes me laugh, who is emotionally available, who wants to grow. Get clear, but also stay open. Sometimes love shows up differently than we pictured. Like, we communicate easily, we laugh often, we grow together. Action 5. Act like it's already happening. This sounds weird, but trust me, when you are living your life, make little comments to yourself like, my partner would love this place. Or, we have fun together here. You're training your brain to expect it, not doubt it. This is you building your love blueprint. Chapter 5. Inspired action, the doing part. Manifestation isn't passive. Once you have set your intention and cleared out your energy, the universe will start to present opportunities. It's your job to take it. Lean into your passion. Do more of what you love. Join a club. Take a class. Volunteer for a cause you care about. When you're engaged in your passions, you're vibrant, you're authentic, and you're more likely to connect with like-minded people. Online dating with intention. If you are using apps, approach them differently. Instead of endless swiping, let's take time to genuinely read profiles. Craft your own profile to reflect your true self and what you're looking for, rather than trying to impress. And remember, a few meaningful conversations are better than dozens of superficial ones. Chapter 6. The Energy Shift. Here is something nobody talks about. Your energy speaks louder than anything. If you're walking around desperate and clingy, people feel that. If you're walking around bitter and closed off, people feel that too. Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You're sitting across from your partner, someone who truly sees you. You feel calm, respected, loved. You're not performing, you are just being. Feel that energy. Let it fill you up. That's your manifestation frequency. That's what calls in love faster than any app or affirmation ever could. And here's the secret. You don't wait for this love to arrive to feel that energy. You live it now. You show up like the person who is already in that relationship. Confident, warm, open-hearted. Because the universe responds to the energy you are in, not the words you say. So check in with yourself. How do you feel when you think about love? Scared, excited, bitter, hopeful? Whatever comes up, work with it. If you are scared, figure out why. If you are bitter, let yourself grieve what didn't work out. If you are excited, lean into that feeling. And remember, you are not manifesting from a place of lack. You are manifesting from a place of readiness. There is a huge difference. Chapter 7. Trusting the process and detachment. This is probably the hardest part for most of us. Letting go of when and how it will happen. Release the outcome. You have planted the seeds. You have taken action. Now, trust that universe is working its magic. Don't constantly check if your order has arrived. Live your life joyfully. No checking the pot. Imagine planting a seed. You water it, you give it sunlight, and then you trust it will grow. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's sprouted. Treat your manifestation the same way. Gratitude Practice gratitude for the love you already have in your life: friends, families, pets. This raises your vibration and signals to the universe that you appreciate love in all its form. Final chapter. In the comments, I want you to write one thing you're calling in for your love life. Not the whole list, just one quality or feeling. Like, I'm manifesting a relationship built on trust, or I'm calling in someone who makes me feel safe. I'm open to love that matches my growth. I'm ready for the love that feels like peace. Write it down, put it out there. Let's create some powerful energy together. For example, I'm manifesting a love, supportive, and adventurous partner with whom I build a beautiful, joyful future. I'm open and ready to receive this love now. And if you are healing from a heartbreak, add, and I'm healing to whatever you write. Honor where you are. Look, your person is out there living their life right now. They're getting ready for you, even if they don't know it yet. So use this time to become your best self. Not perfect, just real, healed, and ready. I see you in the next video. Keep manifesting, keep growing. Remember, you're worthy of real, deep, beautiful love. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more manifestation magic and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on your next chat. Now, go write that comment and manifest your love.